Looking for a leave-in conditioner that actually delivers on its promises? Imagine hair that feels softer, looks shinier, and stays healthy, without weighing it down or causing buildup. SheaMoisture's Vitamin E Leave-In Conditioner blends powerful natural ingredients to strengthen and restore your hair, no matter the texture. What sets this conditioner apart? It starts with Jamaican Black Castor Oil, a rich source of vitamin E that deeply moisturizes and supports lush hair growth. Whether your hair is curly, wavy, or kinky, this ingredient helps restore vitality from root to tip. Then there's apple cider vinegar, known for smoothing strands and making detangling easier. It also calms scalp itchiness by balancing pH levels, leaving your scalp feeling refreshed and comfortable. But the real magic comes from organic shea butter, which penetrates dry hair and scalp to lock in moisture without clogging pores. This means softer hair that retains its natural bounce and shine. Plus, peppermint adds a refreshing tingle while promoting healthy hair growth and potentially reducing hair loss. It's a complete formula designed to nourish and protect. I've tried countless conditioners, but this one truly stands out. After just one use, my hair felt noticeably softer and easier to manage, even after straightening and coloring, which usually leaves it brittle. The scent is subtle and pleasant, making the whole experience feel like a treat rather than a chore. Applying it to towel-dried hair and gently combing through ensures even coverage and optimal results every time. If you're ready to smooth your hair, restore its natural shine, and support healthy growth, this leave-in conditioner is worth a look. It's cruelty-free, tested by families for generations, and honors the legacy of Sophie Tucker by using raw shea butter handcrafted by women in Africa. Every purchase also supports community reinvestment, so you're giving back while caring for your hair. Try SheaMoisture's Vitamin E Leave-In Conditioner when you're ready to treat your hair to real nourishment and lasting softness. It's more than a product, it's a commitment to healthier hair and stronger communities.